These 4 eggplants weigh about 1 kilo, which gives you around half a kilo of cooked eggplant. Alright, after you slam them on the table so they split in two, go ahead and toss them in the air fryer. Set it to bake mode at 120 degrees for about an hour and 15 to an hour and a half until they're nicely roasted. While the eggplants are roasting, let's prep and marinate the chicken. We're deboning the whole thing, neck, wings, wingtips, and the carcass goes straight into the stockpile. When saving the drumettes and flaps for air-fried wings, you'll find that recipe in the link. The marinade for the stops in another video. Thighs and breasts are going into the main marinade. Separate the thighs and breasts, we're going to marinate them. For the marinade, per kilo of chicken, you'll need 220 grams of sliced onion, 150 grams of cooking oil, 5 grams of oregano, 15 grams of salt, 10 grams of sugar, 5 grams of black pepper, 7 grams of paprika, 7 grams of ground coriander seeds, 7 grams of garlic paste, and 30 grams of Dijon mustard. First, mix all the dry ingredients together, then add them to the onions. Use your hands, massage, squeeze, and stir well so the spices and salt combine with the onion juices and everything gets flavored evenly. Once it's all mixed well, add the garlic paste, cooking oil, and Dijon mustard. Mix it again until smooth. Now add the chicken, make sure every piece is well coated. Seal it up and let it rest in the fridge anywhere from 10 hours to a full day. Alright, let's get back to the eggplants. They're nicely cooked. Peel them and start chopping. Keep going until they're soft and no longer stringy. Once they're really finely chopped, we're ready to turn them into a dip. From 1 kilo of raw eggplant, we get about 500 grams of roasted eggplant. So for 500 grams of cooked eggplant, we'll need 200 grams of cooked chickpeas, 7 grams of garlic paste, 3 grams of black pepper, 2 grams of nutmeg, 7 grams of salt, and 300 grams of cream cheese. Mix the eggplant with the rest of the ingredients and knead it well. Once everything's nicely combined and smooth, pop it in the fridge. Now let's get back to the chicken. I'm cooking 1 chicken breast and 1 thigh in the air fryer and pan searing the other breast and thigh. For the air fryer, I'm setting it to roast mode at 190 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes. As for the ones I'm searing, since there's already oil in the marinade, just lightly grease the pan with a bit of butter, then sear the chicken. Let's get to assembling the sandwich, but first I'm cutting off the ends of the bread. I'll save those to make croutons later for salads, soups, and more. You can check out how I use them in my shorts. Alright, spread the dip on the bread, lay the chicken on top, and enjoy. For the topping, I just sprinkled some dried parsley, but you can eat it with whatever you like. My suggestion, fresh parsley with pickled onions. If this is helpful, give it a like. Thanks for watching till the end, and don't forget to subscribe.